lammergeier. His 9-foot wingspan can carry him hundreds of miles a day in search of animal carcasses with precious little effort. It seems he's too late, but in fact he's timed his arrival perfectly. There's no meat left, and that's exactly the moment that the lammergeier has been waiting for. It's bones he's after. Bones contain rich marrow fat. But extracting it is not easy, especially when the bone is a solid 4 kilos and too big to swallow. But lammergeiers have an extraordinary solution, thanks to their flying skills. Soaring up on thermal air currents and positioning the bone parallel to his body to minimize drag, he soon reaches the perfect height. The bone is smashed. The juices in his stomach are more corrosive than battery acid. They dissolve the bone so that he can now digest the marrow. But their timing isn't ideal, because now the young lammergeier has his turn. Proficient bone smashing takes endless practice to find just the right height, speed, and moment of release.